Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasrin Parasale. This video will be really helpful for those students who are going to write your GATE examination 2022. There are few group of students thinking like GATE 2022 examination will be postponed since in India third wave of coronavirus is already in peak. So your all confusions will be clarified in this particular video, and this video will be dedicated for all those students who are having a high pressurized mind, because many students are asking me to put these videos because they are preparing wholeheartedly but they are having high pressure in mind, since with respect to GATE committee they didn't provide any information officially regarding this GATE postponement. That the reason is that GATE 2022 will not be postponed. So in this video I'm going to produce you 13 official updates regarding this GATE exam will not be postponed. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So stop thinking about this GATE postponement after watching this video. I'm giving a disclaimer about this particular content. All this content has been generated in order to motivate the students and keep in track for this GATE exam 2022, and also to reduce the pressure in your mind thinking about whether GATE exam will be conducted in the month of February or it will be cancelled or it might be postponed to some other months in 2022, like that. So this is, I hope if you all aware about this particular thing. Election Commission has yesterday released a notification. They said election is going to be conducted. So before going to the all these things, we should say Election Commission also raised this particular thing among people mind. Will election in 5 states get postponed amid of COVID-19? So currently we are also thinking about it, saying that will GATE exam in all India will get postponed amid of COVID-19 or not. Like that only this particular concept also has been generated. So on December 27th, the Election Commission has gathered a meeting and they had taken a correct decision yesterday afternoon. That is Saturday afternoon, they released a notification saying that Election Commission is going to conduct the election. So they didn't take the decision is easily. They are having their mind COVID-19 cases are increasing, and only then they had taken the decision. And they are also having a meeting. That meeting have a persons from doctors from All India Institute of Medical Sciences and scientists from Indian Council of Medical Research, and also officials from Union Health Ministries. They are also discussed to them deeply about and they plan to conduct this election. So there are highest chances like GATE committee will also set all those details and official members will also be gathered for a meeting, and they will definitely release the notification of GATE exam will not be postponed soon. Okay. So if you see over here, this is for those students who are saying that GATE, last time we compared GATE exam with TNPSC and UPSC, and many students says that UPSC is given only by 10,000 students and TNPSC also is given by 5,000 students, whereas GATE is given by 9 lakh to 10 lakh students. So this particular tabulated column will definitely add up important information. So this is the 5 state to vote in 7 phases from February 10 to March 7, and they said that results will be declared on March 10. So 5 states include your Uttar Pradesh, Goa, Manipur, Punjab and Telangana. So the total number of voters, if you see over here, there are 15 plus crores voters in UP and 11 lakh point 56 lakhs in Goa, 20.56 lakhs in Manipur and 2.13 crores in Punjab and 82.38 lakhs in Uttarakhand. See the total number of voters over here. Okay, whereas for GATE exam only 10 lakh students will be applied. Okay, so if this particular number like 15 crores per peoples are going to put their vote for election. Okay, so if you think about GATE exam, how about this particular election? How a government will release this particular notification without keeping in mind? So I am saying that government has analyzed the situation deeply and they have released an important notification to conduct this election. So 15,000 crore people are engaged in putting and casting their votes on the month of February 10 to March 7. So why I am stressing means, if you know about this particular examination called GATE exam has been planned to conduct on 5th February, 6th February, 12th February and 13th February, whereas your election is also going to be conducted on February and March. So think about GATE exam is given by 9 lakh, whereas your election is going to given by this many number of peoples are giving. how can a government can produce this kind of updates without thinking about without thinking about the health of the people. So please keep in mind, in 2019 we are not having any vaccination. In 2020 or 20 also we don't think about vaccination, but current year 2022 vaccination is on hand, and also various different types of vaccination are also came in our market, and government is again and again stressing about this vaccination. And if you also see about this polling center, there are about 2 lakh centers, around 1.1 lakh 74,351 centers in UP is given, and whereas in Punjab 24,689 centers have been given. So the highest chances of increasing your test center for your gate examination also. It depends upon total number of candidates that have been applied from each state. The gates exam will also increase test center. That might be one particular possibility. And these are the dates for your election. All these dates are also combined with your gate examination also. So this is one proof I'm saying that gate exam will also going to be conducted one week. So the next thing is that this is about polling is going to be conducted on 7 phases. So I think that gate exam will also gate committee will also take this type of decision to conduct examination. Instead of they are conducting examination in 4 days, they may extend the dates to 8 days or 16 days. It depends upon total number of candidates. Okay, they didn't think about the COVID virus is increasing or not, because they are saying to public saying that you should double vaccinated in order to ensure safetyness of your COVID. Okay. First proof is that the government has advised the caution over panic to ensure the safe conduct of poll. So the highest chances the gate committee will also advise many students to keep to ensure the safetyness in writing examination. For that only I am saying they may increase the test center or they may increase the dates. Next proof is that election admit of ongoing COVID-19 pandemic is a challenge, but the decision to go ahead was taken thereafter a detailed deliberation with all stakeholders. So they are also saying this COVID-19 pandemic is in peak, whereas election is going to be conducted in this COVID-19 is a challenge. So there are highest chances like gate exam will also going to be conducted in COVID-19 pandemic, and it is the highest challenge for gate committee to conduct this examination. So students, you don't challenge yourself or you don't pressurize your mind in conducting your examination. Gate committee will take the decision after a detailed deliberation with all the committee and all the stakeholders. So same will be applicable for your gate exam also. Next is that election in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Manipur and Goa will be conducted under strict COVID protocol, and also with respect to gate examination is also going to be conducted in all across India under a strict COVID protocol. They will maintain a strict COVID protocol starting from sanitation, mask and vaccination. I think they are going to follow a strict COVID protocol, and don't think like exam will be cancelled or exam will be postponed to June month, or it will be postponed to some other month later on in 2022. Next proof is that they are saying during election there should be no road shadow, padayatra, cycle or bike rallies. Okay, till 15 January they said there is no such things to be followed, and they are also says that situation will be reviewed and fresh instruction will be issued later. So always hope for the best. Like a gate exam will also produce such kind of situation. They will review a situation and they will produce a fresh instructions will be released. Now if you see about gate notification, they say that admit card releasing date will be announced shortly. So most probably they will release the admit card within 50 days, 15 days before February. Like most probably they will release in Jan 20 to 25. The gate admit card process will also be released. Next important proof is that election in all 5 states will be held amidst of massive surge in COVID cases across the countries, fueled in part of the Omega variant. So they are all aware about, government is aware about this Omega variant is also been increasing in massive stages. At that time they are saying that election will also going to be conducted in spite of this increase in COVID cases and Omega variant. So a gate exam is going to be conducted across India in spite of this massive surge in COVID cases and your Omega variant. Next proof is proof number 6. Holding or timing election is the essence of maintaining democratic governance. Go ahead with election in 5 states amidst a sweeping third wave of corona driven by the Omega variant. So this will also be applicable in the life of the students, because holding a timing examination will also improve the career, because career for each Indian citizen is much more important, and many students longing to write this particular examination at time point. You might be applying for your MTech degrees or you might be waiting to do your PhD degree. So this GATE exam is really a lifesaver, or it is playing an important role in a career of all the students. So there are very high chances of conducting your GATE exam considering the essence of the life of the career of many Indian students. Okay, so they will go ahead in conducting examination admit of this COVID driven by Omicron variant. Okay, so the life of the candidate student and the employment of the students is much more important, because you all know today's Indian city, today's student will be a life changer, or will be uh, will be definitely yeah, it is an COVID driven by Omicron variant. Proof number 7, all official on election duty have to be double vaccinated. So this is again stressing, if you want to write your examination, don't get yourself or don't put yourself in fear. Please go and vaccinate yourself. At least one dose vaccination should be there, because there are highest chances, like 90% chances, saying that gate committee will ask all the students to put at least one vaccination. Even though it has not been officially released in IIT Kharagpur website, or it not been released in gate.iitkgp website, there might be many reasons, like they may release within this week itself, asking many candidates who applied for gate 2022 to get vaccinated. Because in Tamil Nadu, if you take ration things are being issued, for that they are saying only those people who vaccinated can be eligible to take the ration things, because government is giving ration things for this Pongal festival, and they are giving 24 items for this Pongal. Only those people who are vaccinated alone, they can get their vaccinated. So what the people will do, they will rush up to put vaccination. The main aim of the government is to have 100% vaccination in India. So that might be one reason. The next proof is that our first and foremost objective is COVID safe election. A lot of advanced planning and meticulous preparation has been done. So this might be applicable to GATE, saying that our first and foremost objective will be COVID safe GATE examination, and also the GATE committee started planning advanced meticulous preparation has been done since June 2021. From June 2021 itself, they started all this planning. They got able to conduct the examination like within 1 month they'll plan, and they'll release the application, and they'll conduct the examination, and they will release it. That's not a matter. They will nearly take up to 7 to 10 months of time period to conduct and to plan examination. So there are many chances of a GATE exam to be conducted. Next important proof is that Election Commission has released three important objectives. One is a COVID election, EC election, maximum vote participation. So this might be objective. This might also be an objective of a GATE committee also. GATE committee will also take chances of conducting this COVID safe GATE examination, and students' health is also being important. They will keep all those things in mind, and they will also sit and discuss with various health officials from Union Health Ministry, and they will produce this result. So here you can able to see, for this election paper they have been working for past 6 months. So that's what I'm saying. GATE committee will also be working for past 9 months. Keeping Omicron in view, we will take all precaution possible. So there are higher chances, like your GATE committee will also keep Omicron in view, and they will keep precautions possible. Next thing is that extra polling time during pandemic. Like in all these state, polling time will go on extra 1 hour because of this pandemic condition. So that's like you all know GATE exam will be conducted in 3 hours. So that won't be changed, but the dates of conducting examination. So there are 4 days that has been allotted for GATE examination. So instead of 4 days, they may increase to 8 days, or there are highest chances to increase to 16 days, catering the people based on total number of candidates applied from each state. Next thing is that COVID safe election in 5 states with maximum number of voter participation with extensive preparation is the main motive, and all the polling stations will be equipped with COVID mitigation facilities like sanitizer and mask. Also, the number of booths have been increased. So for election, they are increasing the number of booths, and also for GATE exam, the test centers have been increased. Will be increased, because now if you see how many test center means, they will double or triple the amount of test center, so that students in one test center, they will allot only 50 students in one particular test center. Like that, they will allot accordingly. Since the 9 lakh students are applying across the India, they will first put a statistical column of in particular state, like Tamil Nadu, how many students are applied, how many students can apply from Chennai, how many students can apply from Coimbatore, and what are the centers that are vacant, and what are the centers that can be newly booked. Like that, everything is allotted by the GATE committee only. You no need to worry about all those things. The highest chances of increasing the test center with respect to GATE examination. And the proof number 12 is is that this is an important proof saying that COVID situation in the country is nothing to worry about. This was given by Union Health Ministry. Okay, and there is no need to cause of alarm, and there is no need to concern about view of very few cases of Omicron in the pole bound state. So they analyze the pole bound state just like that. They will also analyze each and every state aspirants who are going to write your gate examination. So this is what the important thing that you should be noted. You better write that in your gate exam note itself, saying that COVID situation in country is nothing to worry about because we are having vaccination in hand and government is thinking like all aspirants will be vaccinated. So there is no need to worry about COVID situation. And if you compare those who are vaccinated, even though if they are getting Omicron or even though if they are getting Corona again, the chances of producing difficulties is very much low, whereas those candidates or those people who didn't take your vaccination, they are going difficulty because of this new variant called Omicron variant. And another new variant has been originated in France. So that even though new variant is coming, we are having a warrior like weapon is there, like we are having our vaccination in our hand. So that's what they are saying. So they are also saying so such reports are highly ill-informed and misleading and far from full. There is no other information you need with this particular thing, saying that first thing is that COVID situation in our country is nothing to be worried about. So your gate exam is going to be conducted in the month of February only. There is no postponement of gate exam, or there is no reschedulement of gate exam, or there is no cancellation of your gate exam. This has been released by Union Health Ministry. So this can be applicable to your gate exam also. And the next thing is that Election Commission has asked the Self Secretary to speed up the vaccination drive of eligible population in poll bunker. So your gate committee will also ask the Health Secretary to speed up the vaccination drive for eligible candidate in gate exam states. Okay, and Election Commission also categorically emphasized ensuring vaccination to all eligible person of both in first and second dose should be completed. So again I'm saying you please make yourself vaccinated. If you didn't vaccinated, then you can't allow to write your examination, and so gate committee will give you a time point of at least 3 months if that is in the case. I'm saying if they are rescheduling, they will give you a time for vaccination 1 week. So at least vaccinate yourself for one thing. So these are the proof for gate examination postponement won't be happen, or gate examination won't be cancelled. So I have taken an effort to produce you these detailed information. Okay, so this will be very much helpful for those students who are still in a confusion in mind. Gate exam will be conducted or gate exam will be postponed. So here I am producing you 13 proof which will be really helpful for those students. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.